In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to optimize your website for Core Web Vitals. Today we'll be exploring what Core Web Vitals is and how you can use it to improve your website ranking. Core Web Vitals are a set of measurements that form Google's page experience score along with the website's mobile optimization, etc., etc. But why should we care about it? Well, Google has announced that its Core Web Vitals measurement will be feeding into its search ranking algorithm from May 2021. What this might mean for your website is that it might be pushed lower down the search rankings if it's not optimized for this change, which would have a knock-on effect of lowering traffic and conversions. So I'm going to be talking to you about the different aspects of the Core Web Vitals, which are largest contentful paint. The largest contentful paint, or LCP, is when the largest content element on the viewport is rendered on the screen. This is one of the most important aspects for most of the websites. Ideally, your LCP should be below 2.5 seconds or lower. First input delay. First input delay, or FID, is the metric that measures the time it takes for your website to respond when a user clicks on your website or interacts with your website in some way. Basically, when someone clicks on your website, Google wants your website to respond within 100 milliseconds. And the cumulative layout shift. The third and final metric is cumulative layout shift, or CLS, which measures the movement of visible elements within the viewport. Unexpected movement of page content usually happens because resources are loaded asynchronously. The culprit might be an image or video with unknown dimensions, a font that renders larger or smaller than its fallback, or a third-party ad or widget that dynamically resizes itself. So today I'm going to show you where you can see these metrics for your website, as well as how to improve these metrics. First, let's go to Google Page Speed Insights to see the website's score. So I'm going to open a new tab, type Google Page Speed Insights in the search bar, click on the first link, enter your website's URL here, and then click on Analyze. As you can see, my website's score is very low. And under the Lab Data section, you can see these metrics that I mentioned earlier. The first input delay metric is not displayed because my website is relatively new and Google doesn't have much information about that metric yet. The first contentful paint marks the time it takes for a text or image is painted. The time to interactive is the amount of time it takes for the page to become fully interactive. The speed index shows how quickly the contents of a page are visibly populated. And the largest contentful paint and cumulative layout shift I've already explained. So now, how to improve these aspects? You can go through the Page Speed Insights as it shows you how and where you can improve on your site to make it better. Or I will show you how you can optimize your website using a plugin called NitroPack. First, we need to visit the NitroPack website. I'm going to open a new tab, and in the search bar, type NitroPack. Click on the first link. Now you need to sign up with NitroPack. So click on Get Started. And we've got a few options here. You have the free options, which provide us with 5,000 page views per month on one website. This is perfect for testing. Of course, you can upgrade this whenever you need to, but for now, just go forward with the free one. Then fill in all the information here. I've already done this, so I'm not going to do this here. After you've filled up all this information, you get redirected to the dashboard, which will look like this. And as you can see, my website is connected here to NitroPack. Now we need to install the NitroPack plugin. So back in your dashboard, go to Plugins, Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type NitroPack and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. Once the plugin is installed, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Then you'll get redirected to the Plugins page. Now go to the plugin and click on Settings under it. And now we need to connect the NitroPack plugin to our website. Now click here on Connect to NitroPack. If it doesn't connect automatically, then you need to manually enter the API key. To enter the API key manually, just click on Enter Details manually. To get the API key, just go to the NitroPack Dashboard, click on the Power Plug icon here, and these are the details you need to enter. And then it'll connect manually. Once NitroPack is up and running, we're going to configure some settings. As you can see, the optimization mode is set to ludicrous automatically, which is the most optimized, and NitroPack does pretty much everything automatically. If you don't want this mode, then just select a lower mode from here, and you can see if your site is broken or not. If it's not broken, you can increase the optimization mode and keep optimizing more and more while checking if your site is working as it should. You can turn on Cache Warmup here under Settings. This allows to cache pages without them having visitors yet, so just click on Enable here. And also turn on HTML compression here. Now, back in the NitroPack dashboard, we're going to set up a few things here as well. Click here on Settings. In Ludicrous mode, as I said, has the most optimization settings enabled automatically applied. We can still enable a few more settings. First is the Improve Server Response Time, which is enabled as you can see. You can enable Safe Mode, which allows you to test a specific URL that's on your site. This is what you can use on the high traffic sites. You can choose to optimize specific URLs from here. Just turn this on and paste the URL here. Similarly, you can exclude specific URLs from here. You can cache AJAX URLs, or you can cache custom CSS from here. Then there's the Exclude Cookies setting, Exclude Resources, etc., etc. Then scroll all the way up and click on Save Settings. Then, back in the WordPress dashboard, let's see how the preemptive cache is going. You can also see which pages were cached by going to the NitroPack dashboard. Then click on Optimizations, and here you'll see all the pages that are currently cached or pending or skipped. Once the plugin is finished optimizing your site, we can now go to the Google Page Speed Insights to see our website's performance. And as you can see, the performance score has improved a lot. The largest contentful paint is well under 2.5 seconds, and all the other metrics show a much better result. To check the performance score for desktop, click here. And as you can see, it's 99, so that's very good. You must understand that every website is unique, and you may not see the same results on yours. There can be things which are unique to your website depending on the themes and plugins you're using, which may need further examination by an expert WordPress professional. In that case, you can contact us to fix those things for you or your developer. I'm going to leave a link in the description from where you can contact us. This is how you can optimize your website for Core Web Vitals. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.